Guys, this is Alex. We're doing an informational video to teach you guys how to do ball handling. So for our first drill, we're going to rotate the ball clockwise around our head. We're going to do that for 15 seconds. After 15 seconds, then we're going to reverse it and go counterclockwise. After we've done each of those for 15 seconds, then we're going to move down to the waist, go clockwise around the waist. Do that for 10 to 15 seconds. And then we're going to reverse that as well. Do that for another 10 to 15 seconds. And then after that, we're going to move down to our knees. Go clockwise around our knees, again for 10 to 15 seconds. After that, we'll reverse it. Reverse for 10 to 15 seconds as well. And then after that is done, we're going to do all three. So we're going to start at our head, go clockwise, go down to the waist, clockwise, and then go down to the knees clockwise. We're going to try and do it all one fluid motion. Do that again for 10 to 15 seconds. After that time's up, then you're going to reverse and go the other way.
Alright, so this is Jake. He is gonna do some dribbling work. So we're gonna start with the right hand dribble and at medium height. Alright, and then he's gonna drop it down low. About 10-15 seconds for each of these. And then up high. Alright, so after about 30 seconds of that, you're going to switch to your left hand. Go medium again. Now low. And then up high. Alright, then you're going to move to a crossover. Just keeping it about medium height. Start with your right hand. Alright, and then between the legs. Alright, after 10 seconds of that, switch legs, go the other way. Awesome, and then for the last one, behind the back. And switch. Awesome.
Alright, this is Logan, and we're going to now do some dribbling while moving. So what we're going to do is we're going the whole width of the court. He's going to start dribbling with his right hand, and once he gets halfway across the court, he's going to cross over. He's going to go to the end, and once he gets to the other line, he'll do a reverse pivot and then dribble with his left hand until he gets about halfway, does the crossover, and he'll stop here. If he were to keep going, he would just do a reverse pivot and keep going. You'd go for about 30 seconds and you take a short break. The next one we'll do would be between the legs. So you're going to do the same thing, start with your right hand, go until you're about halfway, dribble between your legs, get to the end line and do a reverse pivot. And he's going to go back, dribble the other way between his legs. If you do that again for 30 seconds, take a little break. Next drill will be behind the back. So you'll go same thing, cross from right to left behind his back until he gets to the end line, does a reverse pivot, heads back the other way, behind the back, and he gets to the end line. Once again, 30 seconds. Push yourself. Once you take a little break, the last one will be spin move. So he'll start again with the right hand, and this time he'll plant his left foot and spin. Switch to the left hand, do his reverse pivot again. Then he's coming back, does the spin until he gets to the line, and he would keep going again. All right, Logan's gonna help us with the last drill now. If you're a little more advanced and want to do some tougher workouts, you can use 2 balls. So what he's gonna do is gonna start dribbling with both balls at the same time at about waist height. You'll do that for 10 to 15 seconds, and then you'll move down towards your knees. You dribble low for about 10 to 15 seconds again, and then you'll move up to about shoulder height. And you'll do that. You can do that a few times through 10 to 15 seconds each. And then another workout you can do with 2 balls is dribble them alternately, just like he's doing right there. Do that about waist height, and then do that for 10-15 seconds, then you can bring it down towards your knees. Do that for about 10 to 15 seconds, and then bring it up towards your shoulders. Do that for about 10 to 15 seconds. If you do all of these drills, you'll be a professional ball handler in no time.